Hello students. Next we have starts stereoisomerism. Already completed structural isomerism. Now then go to stereoisomerism. The first concept we are already given definition also, stereoisomers definition. Next, geometrical isomerism. The first type is geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. In geometrical isomerism, the simple definition in geometrical isomerism are due to restricted rotation. Restricted rotation. The best example, you know, that C double bond C, A, C double bond C, compulsory double bond or any geometrical isomerism, the carbon connected elements are different. C double bond C, AA and BB is given. C double bond C, AA and AB is given. C double bond C, AB and A is given. So these all are not geometrical isomerism, because of S, this carbon connected to same elements or same groups. Now here also same. So compulsory can add different elements. Now this side is same, but this side is different. Not only one side, the two sides also very important. Now here, yes, here different is there, here same is there. So this type of compounds is not the geometrical isomerism. So but now here check it. This carbon connected A and B both are different. A not equal to B. That is a very important. So here also different. Yeah, in 3D structure is a B and B both are the same side, and A is both are same side. Now this one A and B both are opposite. This is a restricted rotation will be there. Restricted rotation, we rotate any carbon. So one carbon is fixed, automatically can rotate this carbon, automatically change of the isomerism. The positions will be changed. Now here the same sides are there, just rotate it, restricted rotate. Now to form this one, this type of structure is called as a cis, because of both are same side, cis. This one is a trans, cis and trans. In this geometrical isomerism present in a double bond system, double bond systems, and substituted cycloalkanes and also cycloalkanes and triphenyl system, and reaction leading to geometrical isomerism, and resonating structures also we are discussed in this concept, resonance structures, and examples also we are discussing in this concept. So many examples are discussed in this concept. So where it is present in double bond system, substitute cycloalkanes and also triphenyl systems. And what is the use of this geometrical isomerism, your reaction leading of geometrical isomerism, and what is the resonance structures, and also we are discussing so many examples. Now first, how many types of geometrical isomerism is there? Geometrical isomerism, before that, in double bond system, first you are taking A double bond system. Here the three categories are there. Number one, cis trans. Second one is E and Z. Third one is syn and anti. The three categories are there. So first we are discussing a cis trans isomerism. Cis trans geometrical isomerism. What is the cis trans isomerism? Here very simple. In cis trans isomerism C double bond C, the same groups are same side. This is the 2-butene. That is a cis. The trans is a opposite side. That is the trans isomerism. So here the CH3 and CH3 both are same side is there. This is a cis configuration. This one is a trans configuration. Yes. Now here most important point is a comparison of mu is equal dipole momentum, melting point and boiling point. Now first C double bond C, CH3 and hydrogen is a trans. C double bond C, here hydrogen, here CH3 and CH3. Now which one is cis, which one is trans? You know already, this is a trans isomerism, this is a cis isomerism. Now how to find dipole momentum? Which one have dipole momentum, which one have not dipole momentum? Now in this trans, a CH3 group is a positive inductive group. It is a donate some energy. This is a direction of dipole momentum. And here also CH3 is donated, because of that is the positive inductive group. Both are opposite direction will be there. Both are opposite direction. Automatically mu value is 0. Next here SCH3 here also donate the charge electron density. Here also same the donate. Both are the same side, not opposite sides. The same side will be going. So here mu not equal to 0. So cis dipole momentum is higher than trans dipole momentum. So mu value is cis is more than trans. Cis value is more than trans. Number 1. At the same time, boiling point is directly proportional to mu. So therefore which one have more boiling point? Is cis is a more boiling point than a trans. These are conditions in chemical bonding actually. And the melting point is reverse. Why? Because of arrangements are different. In trans structure the molecules are irregular structures, but in cis in order will be there, in order. Yeah, this is trans. Actually what is a trans? Check it now. Bulky group and next small group, like that. But now here the both are bulky group or small groups, the same sides are there. So automatically the melting points, the random will be increases, the melting point will be increases. So its melting point is high. So melting point is trans is higher than cis isomerism. These conditions are very important, very important. So mu value higher for cis, 0 for trans in this example. And also boiling point is depending on is a dipole momentum is increases, boiling points are increases, therefore cis boiling point is higher than trans. But is a melting point is differs depending on arrangements of the element. The random elements are arranged, the melting point is higher, so its melting point is higher than in order. So this is the comparison of mu, MP and BP. This is the relation. So mu value is increases mu value is inversely proportional to melting point. These conditions are very important. These conditions are important. And also how to count number of double bonds present in system, how many geometries are available. So we are given so many examples. Counting of, next heading, counting of geometrical isomerisms, how many cis strands are possible. So we are given one example, CH3 CH double bond CH bond CH double bond CH bond phenyl. This example is given. Now here how many double bonds are there? Here two double bonds are available. Yes, two double bonds are available. Now number of double bonds n is equal to 2 will be given. So two double bonds are present here. And this is a symmetrical or asymmetrical, we will check now. Symmetrical or asymmetrical. So this side, this is a symmetrical actually. Now here is a phenyl group is there. Here is a phenyl group is there. Here methyl group is there. This is the asymmetrical compound. Asymmetrical compound. Number one condition, the number of double bonds are even. And also that compound is unsymmetrical. We are using this formula. Total number of geometrical isomers are 2 power n. 2 power n means what is our n value? 2. Total how many are there? 4. Total how many are there? 4. How to recognize, sir? Maybe cis and cis, both are cis and cis, and cis and trans, and trans and trans, and also trans and cis. How many double bonds are there? Like that. I will explain now how to represent this one. For the example, actual example, right now CH3 bond, CH double bond, CH bond, CH double bond, CH bond, phenyl is given. Yes. Now C double bond C, here the CH3 is there. Now one hydrogen. Next here hydrogen is there. C double bond. Now here hydrogen will be there. And next here C, here phenyl is there, here hydrogen will be there. This is a compound. Now tell me how to represent, sir. How to represent? This is a numbering, give numbering, 1 numbering, this is 2. Here also bulk is a carbon, is a 1 2. 1 is same cell, therefore this is a cis. Now here this is 1. In this case here which one is bigger, hydrogen or carbon? This is a 1, this is 2. Now here which one is bigger? This is 1, this is 2. Now this is also cis. This is CC configuration. So similarly we will change now atoms position. I will write now C double bond C. Here hydrogen will be there. Right now down CH3. Remaining you will write now same C double bond C. Here hydrogen will be there. Here hydrogen will be there. And here phenyl is there. Give numbering 1 2 and also 1 2 will be given. Now this is already this is 1, this is 2, this is 1, this is 2. Now tell me here 1 2 both are opposite side. This is the trans, this one is a cis, this is a TC configuration. So we are changed now. Remaining case, now fix this one, we will change this one. C double bond C, hydrogen CH3, and here hydrogen is there. Here C double bond, here hydrogen will be there. Here C, here hydrogen, and here phenyl will be there. Now give numbering, this 1 2 and this 1 2 trans. Now next go to this side, 1 2 and 1 2. This one is a trans, this one is cis. This is the this is a 2, this is the 1, 1. So this is the trans configuration. This is also trans configuration. This is the TT configuration. Now next we'll write now CH3 bond C double bond C, here hydrogen will be there, here hydrogen. Next C double bond C, here hydrogen and phenyl, and here hydrogen is there. Give numbering. This is 1 2, this is 1 2, this is 1 2 for this compound, this is 1, this is 2. Now observe, now 1 1 is same side, this is the cis, this one is a trans opposite side. So this is the CsCt configuration. So how many possibilities are there? Total Cc, Tc, Tt and Ct will be there. So this is the asymmetrical compound, and total how many geometrical structures are possible? Total 4 structures are possible by using 2n formula. So given any compound, first of all, to find how many double bonds are there, that is even or odd, maybe even number is there, we'll write now n is equal to, and that compound is symmetrical or asymmetrical? Symmetrical or asymmetrical? Asymmetrical means both sides is same is there, that is a symmetrical. 50-50 is there, symmetrical. Asymmetrical means automatically second side maybe other group will be there, that is the asymmetrical. To find symmetrical and asymmetrical, to apply this formula, you will get number of geometrical isomerisms without explanation. Just you can apply 2 power n formula. 2 power 2 is equal to 2 to the 4 over. Yeah, this is the geometrical isomerism to count the number of geometrical isomerism. N is equal to even and unsymmetrical. Then next class we are going to other examples.